Welcome to the C Programmer Zambia. In this video, we're going to be doing something apart from programming. Okay, so we're going to be learning how we can control our PC, okay, using our mobile phone, our smartphone. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so at this moment, you want to grab your mobile phone. All right, and after grabbing your mobile phone, just obviously unlock it, and then let's go to Play Store. So we're simply going to Play Store, and we're going to search for Monect PC Remote. Okay, so we're simply just gonna search from there, Monect. Yeah, so I guess you can see it actually comes the moment you type Monect, you actually see it right there. So you just click that, and we're gonna say install. So as it is installing, we're also going to do the same thing on our PC. So let's go to the PC now. All right, so on your PC, you just want to open your web browser. So let's open Microsoft Edge. Okay, you can open any other web browser that you're using. And then we're going to search for Monect PC Remote even here. So we're simply going to say Monect PC Remote download. All right, and we're going to strike enter. Okay, and so I guess you can see it's actually from www.monect.com. So you simply just click that link. All right, and there we are. Allow cookies. Okay, and we just want to download we can even go to downloads. All right, so after going to downloads here, we just want to download the one for PC. Yeah, if you're using it on a device, I think the other links are there, but since this is on PC now, we want to click the link one there, and then it's immediately going to start downloading. Okay, so I don't know where your browser shows where it's downloading from, but mine is just right there. Okay, so after downloading the software, we're going to have to install it. So let's check out if the one on the phone is actually installed by now. All right, guys, so I'm with my mobile device here. Just going to go to the menu, and I guess you can see it right there. Okay, but yeah, I'm sure it's also on the main menu here. So we're simply just going to open it and make sure it's running, So it opens, we see their logo there, and so there I guess you can see. So please install the latest version of PC remote receiver on PC, or some features will not running normally. Wow. Okay, so well, I guess they're just encouraging us to install their latest version. Okay, so we're just going to click OK, and I guess you can see this is more like a touchpad. We've got our left mouse button, our right mouse button, and the one in the middle there. And then I guess you can see down here it says not connected to PC. Okay, so that's what we have to deal with. I'm sure the PC download is done, so let's go back to our PCs. All right, so there it is. Yeah, so we're just gonna hit yes there, and we're gonna wait for it to now install. So let's just minimize that, and I guess you can see that now. So we simply say, okay, English. I don't know the language that you might be using, but I'm using English. Next, agree, install, and we wait for it to actually install now. Okay, so the process doesn't actually take so long. The moment it installs, it's actually going to, so I guess you can see we actually have our icon there. Okay, I don't mostly put my icons, okay, most icons on the desktop, but okay, there we go. So yeah, we want to run it, so just make sure that is checked. If not, then you can uncheck it, press finish, but then you're still going to open it. So let's just say finish. and there we can see it's actually launching. So let's just wait for it to launch. Okay, and I guess you can see to say our PC remote receiver has actually launched. So from there, we're gonna have to open, go to our smartphone, and then we're simply just going to open PC remote. Okay, so okay, after opening PC remote, let me just see if I can put my phone on the screen as well. Okay, so after opening PC remote, we're simply just going to try saying connect. Now, one thing I have to mention here is that you have to make sure that your PC and your phone are on the same network. Okay, so if you're using Wi-Fi, okay, most of the times I think we mostly hotspot our PCs using our phones, or maybe we're using Wi-Fi at work or anywhere we are. Just make sure that your PC, your phone are both connected to the same network. Yeah, so we're simply just going to say connect on the phone here. All right, and then it says check-in, so we're just going to say okay. So I guess you can see my computer name is Clarence, and it's showing right there. Okay, so we simply click that, and then it should tell us connected in no time. Okay, connecting. All right, and down here it said connect, the connection was successful. So for this window, we can actually even just close it. All right, we can just close it like that. And now I guess you can see when I try to move my use my touchpad, my phone as a touchpad, it's actually working. All right, so let's say we want to grab that and we want to throw it in this folder here. Okay, so we're just gonna throw it there. Yeah, and yes, we want to replace the file in the destination. Okay, so what else can I do? Let me go to my browser, and this time around I want to go to let's say I want to go to Google. Okay, so I'm just gonna click that. All right, and we have our Google there. Okay, then thereafter I want to search for something, so simply just gonna click there, and then we're gonna click our keyboard icon on top there near where it says 3D. All right, and then I'm just gonna start typing. So what do I want to Google? Just anything random. Yeah, so we want to go to President of Zambia. There we simply click, and I guess you can see the results are actually loading. So I guess you can see that's what we have. So that's how you can control your PC. So you can be seated, at a distance from your device, but as long as you can see what's on the screen, you'll be able to use it. So in the next episode, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually stream your PC screen on your phone. All right, so that you actually feel like your phone has turned into a PC. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Like the video, subscribe to my channel, and just leave a comment in the comment section below.